Hi friends, this video is going to be on Nuran capsules. Nuran capsules contain 40 milligrams of omeprazole in it. The box has 14 capsules. It's made by Axon Pharma. The price for one box is 287 rupees. Omeprazole is used alone or with other medications to treat the symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux disease, a condition in which backward flow of acid from the stomach causes heartburn and possible injury of the esophagus, the tube between the throat and the stomach, in adults and children 1 year of age and older. Omeprazole is used to treat damage from GERD in adults and children 1 month of age and older. Omeprazole is used to allow the esophagus to heal and prevent further damage to the esophagus in adults and children 1 year and older with GERD. Omeprazole is also used to treat conditions in which the stomach produces too much acid, such as Zollinger-Ellison syndrome in adults. Omeprazole is also used to treat ulcers, sores in the lining of the stomach and intestines, and it is also used with other medications to treat and prevent the return of ulcers caused by a certain type of bacteria, H. pylori, in adults. Omeprazole is used to treat frequent heartburn that occurs at least 2 or more days a week in adults. Omeprazole is in a class of medications called proton pump inhibitors. It works by decreasing the amount of acid made in the stomach. Omeprazole comes as a delayed release capsule, and omeprazole should be taken at least 1 hour before a meal. Omeprazole is usually taken once a day before a meal, but may be taken twice a day when used with other medications to eliminate H. pylori, or up to 3 times a day before meals when used to treat conditions in which the stomach produces too much acid. The delayed tablets are usually taken once a day in the morning, at least 1 hour before eating, for 14 days in a row. If needed, additional 14-day treatments may be repeated not more than once every 4 months. Swallow the delayed release capsules whole. If you have difficulty swallowing the delayed release capsules, place 1 tablespoon of soft, cool applesauce in an empty bowl. Open the delayed release capsule and carefully empty all the granules inside the capsule onto the applesauce. Mix the granules with the applesauce and swallow the mixture immediately with a glass of cool water. Do not chew or crush the granules. Do not store the applesauce mixture for further use. This medication may be prescribed for other uses. Ask your doctor or pharmacist for more information. Take the missed dose as soon as you remember it. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. Some side effects of omeprazole include constipation, gas, nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and headache. Some side effects can be serious. If you experience any of these symptoms, call your doctor immediately or get emergency medical help. Rashes, hives, itching, swelling of face, difficulty breathing, hoarseness, irregular fast or pounding heartbeat, excessive tiredness, dizziness, lightheadedness, muscle spasm, jitterness, uncontrolled shaking of the part of the body, seizures, severe diarrhea with watery stools, rash on cheek or arms that is sensitive to sunlight, increased or decreased urination. Omeprazole may cause other side effects. Call your doctor if you have any unusual problems while taking this medication. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.